Hey there, friends! Welcome back. Today we're playing the backpack safety quiz. I'll show you two backpacks and you tell me which one is safe for kindergarten. Are you ready? Let's go. Question 1. Which scissors are safer? Is it A with safety scissors in a case or B with sharp scissors? Think fast. Time's up. It's A. Safety scissors have round tips and go in cases. Sharp scissors can cut you. Question 2. Which backpack is safe? A with water and snacks, or B with medicine bottles? Choose wisely. It's A. Never bring medicine to school. The nurse handles all medicine. Stay safe. Question 3. Which lunch is safer? A with a soft lunchbox, or B with a cracked glass jar? What do you think? A is correct. Glass can break and hurt us. Use soft lunchboxes and fresh food. Question 4. Which backpack is better for school? A with one toy and school stuff, or B packed with toys? Ready? It's A. School is for learning. Leave toys at home except for show and tell. Halfway there. Question 5. Which backpack is safer? A with round-tipped supplies, or B with sharp blades and tacks? Think. A wins. Exposed blades and thumbtacks are dangerous. Keep sharp stuff away. Question 6. Which backpack is better? A with basic supplies, or B with expensive electronics? Choose. It's A. Electronics are expensive and distracting. Leave them home. Question 7. This one's important. Which backpack is safe? A with nut-free snacks, or B with peanut butter? Decide now. A is right. Some kids have nut allergies. Always follow nut-free rules. Question 8. Which backpack is 99% safe? Look carefully. A with safe supplies, or B with lots of dangers? Choose now. Time's up. It's A. Great job. You're learning so much. Let's keep going. Question 9. Which drink is safe for school? A with a closed water bottle, or B with open soda? Think fast. It's A. Water bottles stay closed so they don't spill. Soda and energy drinks aren't for kids. Question 10. Which backpack is the right weight? A with just enough supplies, or B that's super heavy? What do you think? A is correct. Backpacks that are too heavy can hurt your back. Pack light. Question 11. Which is safe to bring? A with a flashlight, or B with matches and a lighter? Choose. It's A. Fire is dangerous. Never bring lighters or matches to school. Question 12. Which way to share about pets is safe? A with a photo of your pet, or B with a real pet inside? Ready? A wins. Bring photos, not real pets. Pets can get scared and hurt.